In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record calls on Telegram. Before we begin, a quick note on best practice. Always make sure everyone on the call knows you are recording and check your local laws. Recording conversations can be sensitive, and getting consent keeps things respectful and compliant. Let's start on desktop. Open Telegram on your computer and get the chat or call window arranged the way you want it to appear in the recording. When you are ready, press the Windows, Shift, and S keys together to bring up the snipping tool. In the toolbar that appears, select the video icon to switch from a screenshot to a screen recording. Now, click and drag to draw a box around exactly what you want to capture. Framing just the call window keeps the final video focused and avoids showing unrelated parts of your screen. Once your capture area looks right, click Start to begin recording. With the recorder running, place your Telegram call to an individual or a group, and continue your conversation as normal. When you are finished, click the stop icon. You'll immediately see a preview, which is perfect for a quick check to confirm your audio and video. Look the way you expected. If everything looks good, save the file to a folder you'll remember so you can find it later. Now for mobiles. On your phone, open the Control Center or swipe down to access the Quick Settings panel. Depending on your device, tap the screen recording button and before you proceed, make sure the microphone is active, so your voice is included in the recording. Many devices show a small mic icon or an on-screen toggle. Just confirm it's turned on. Once recording starts, switch to Telegram and place your call as you normally would. The screen recorder will capture what's on your display along with your microphone audio while you talk. A couple of tips to get the best results: find a quiet environment to reduce background noise. Close notifications or enable Do Not Disturb so pop-ups don't appear in your recording. On desktop, keep the call window in the area you selected so it stays fully visible. On mobile, hold the phone steady or place it on a stand for a cleaner video. That's it. Thanks for watching.